Yes. Hi everybody. How we all doing? And the mama is a live video. You want to join the mama? Good afternoon everyone. What me dancing color? Me dancing. Good afternoon everybody. How we all doing? Wow, I know it's a little bit late, but never mind. Never mind, joy. So I'm here live and direct. So I want you guys to join me. Let's do this together. Okay, I'm on live stream. So if you want to join me, just join. I want to do my I can call it dinner or wherever, okay, but I'm just a little bit late, but that is fine. So if you want to join, quickly just join me, okay. Let's do this together this afternoon. So if you know you are tired of your weight, you don't know like the way your weight look like right now, so free join me. Let's do this together this afternoon. So I managed to the way I managed to be doing my weight loss so far. So it's written here. Let me just tattoo it. Are you tired? You tired of your big tummy? So what you mean? Just let me be right now. So this is the title of the live video. Go and give to that. Don't disturb me. Fast. Daddy. So if you know you are tired of your weight loss, so kindly don't really just inbox me. Sister, hello auntie, I dey live. I will call you when I through. I dey live. Good morning auntie. I dey live. I will call you right now. Let me through. Okay, they don't bring a gun for you. Okay. Alright, let me just through first. I'll call you how you want to use, okay? Alright. So good afternoon everybody. How we are doing? How you guys doing? Well, KKK. Oh my god. This coronavirus make you leave us alone. We don't tire. You know? Imagine we all sleep. The day we all break, we start again. For me, I don't like am again. Oh. I don't know how they see am. I don't just know how they see am at all, okay? So me not care. Right now, and I me they wake up this morning, okay? I just dey inside my bedroom, just dey sleep, just dey enjoy myself. At the time, people they miss me on Facebook. That is why I decided to come my live. I decided to come to live video to come and tell you wetin me dey do secretly, you know. This pandemic, if you not take time, you go fat anyhow. You know, your body will just dey fat, just dey ferment, okay? So because of that reason, are you guys even hearing me at all? So because of that reason, okay, that is fine. People are hearing me. So because of that reason, I decided to come and meet you guys. What I'm doing, you know, what I'm really doing there. I can see people that they are here with me right now. I'm just screaming. I just, you know, a little bit just. How can I say? I will teach you guys later. Okay. So I want to take my cucumber, my apple, also with my pear. Jamie call it brainy. This very one, okay? This is what I want to mix together this afternoon. People will be wondering, what is Warri Joy? Why she not call my sister, my brother? I dey sleep. You know, this is my time to wake up right now. I dey sleep this morning. I just dey sleep, enjoy myself. What the person go do now? We not fit kill ourselves. No, we all dey sleep, they go. As we see life now, so we can see also we all dey manage our life now. Okay? So I dey sleep for bed since morning. And now I dey wake up now. That is why I come and tell you for wetin I want just to manage my breakfast today, okay? Now the recipes that be this one. So if you know say you want to get your flat tummy, your body bad, just to maintain your shape, you don't want to be fat so much, you know, join this program. So I'm going to start with my cucumber. This is my feeding, I call it a feeding blender, okay? I'll just pack my cucumber inside here. But first of all, you need this very product called booster. My booster will arrive maybe tomorrow. I just placed another new booster recently, okay? It will arrive maybe tomorrow for myself. This is my booster. This booster help you for your big tummy. If you want to have flat tummy, you want to have clear face in your body, detox your body, this is what you need. Booster. Don't forget, my people, you need booster, okay? Nothing what with the eye. Me and Nana, we. You understand me? So imagine this one, this one. I'm cooking for the other hand. I go pack everything in my body. What do you expect? I will just carry all the fat, you know. just off the noise. The noise is too much here. So I will just carry all the fat. So for that reason, wetin you need? Something dey maintain your body, kule body. Just the way me dey do my own so. Okay, so you will drink your booster. After 25 minutes, you will now blend your shake, with your anything like vegetable or fruits. But this morning, I want to blend that with a fruit. Number one, I'm using cucumber, I'm using pear, I'm using apple. Everything is green, okay? Green thing I want to do today, okay? So I'm going to pack it here. Wetin wan help me to my body? I want to can suffer just dey maintain my body. I no feel fat, I no like am. If you like fat, my dear people, me no like am o. Na wetin just I hate am. So that is why I still dey manage myself with my product all till now. Imagine since then when I know me for Facebook, I still dey manage my body dey go like this, okay? So, and if you buy this shake, the short thing on it, e no dey quick finish. It will last you at least, like correct almost 6 months for us. E no go finish, okay? Wetin you buy 180 euro, e just dey last, e no gree finish. My sister, na good luck o. I no fit lie you, okay? So una go see wetin I want of you just do now. Now dey see am, look at it. This is how it look like, okay? So I'm going to squeeze my lemon. I need the lemon juice. I need that. So I want to take like 2 tablespoons of lemon juice here. Just add it there. And this lemon have juice, yeah. This is it, okay? While I'm doing it, I want it to be a little bit sour. Be careful not to grind the seed. But when seed go inside, they will start just telling you that it's bitter on your mouth, okay? So this is what I want to do. If you like it or not by force, okay, you cannot compare me that, oh, this guy is doing all like this. This is what I don't like right from time. I like to mix lemon with my shake, okay? So this is what I just like. This is what I like for myself. So if you want to be the part of it, you can just inbox me, get yours. So I'm going to add milk. This is my milk. I will just add milk with it. Jerry will sweet something. I like it is sweet. My sister don't go area. And they like it is sweet. So then I'll come and add a half spoon of a shake. I don't want to consume it so much today because I want to really detox my body now. I want to start another weight loss again. And although most of my friends say, Joy, don't do. Hi, Star Stella, how you doing? How you guys doing? Fine. So I want to make it more than half a little bit. So look at it, half spoon of shake inside here. So then maybe I will top it with a little bit of water, or I leave it like that. Let's see. If it's too thick, I will just top a little of water. This is how it comes. I have chocolate here, I have vanilla, okay? So but first of all, let's blend it before I explain other products with you guys. Let me add a little bit of water. I don't want it so too much thick. You know what I mean by that, okay? So blend it and enjoy yourself. Detox your body, manage your weight, okay? Don't wait till somebody tell you. Like me, lying, I can't wait somebody tell me, say, look at how you can be. Look at your body. No, when you go tell me, I no agree you tell me. So wetin I go just do for there? Hi, my sister Faith. My dear sister. Area where our country so we don't want fat again. We need to control our body. I can't do it for you. Now you go do it by yourself. So for you to do it by yourself, now wetin you go do be this one. Bless something make you dey drink am. Before that time, you go see your body. Make I bless this one and not vessel. It's going. I start blending already. This machine, I really like this machine. If you want have it, go Samsung or what they call it, a Media Mart. You'll get them for the Philip. Very strong. It don't blend. It's okay like that. see am na be this one, you see am. So na this one also fit drink today, I also fit dey sip am instead of me come begin dey worry myself. I want to lose my weight. This is the best way to lose weight. Okay, so you lose your weight with style, not be by or come begin dey patch your body, dey do waist trainer whatever. Like me, I don born, I no fit do any weight trainer o. Na that say dey tight me one kind. So some fit just dey monitor your body like this, you know, manage your body, manage it with all those kind recipes of how to eat healthy every day. It's very, very, very important for your life. Okay, so before, I don't know, actually me myself Joey dey talk, I don't know. So I can't dey do this one, so now me for them can't know how to dey eat healthy. Imagine now, I have Indomie in this house, you know, I have rice, I have many things, I will even boil meat anyway, but still me, my eye not the other one. But I have to remember that I need to be stay healthy and eat healthy. Now they do for you every blessed day. You understand me? So don't wait till fat cover your body before you now do something. And that one I may not just like at all. So if you don't need that kind of life, you know, it boss me. Let's do this thing together. So it's very, very easy. You see it? Now I'm good to go. I have this now. I can drink this thing throughout today. So I belly food, then I'm okay. Okay, if you be mama baby, you are thank you so much, nice one sister, how are you? I see you, everybody that's commenting here. I like everybody so much. May God bless you guys for me, you know. With you guys I'm still going, with your support I'm still going. Oh, now God will bless all of you anyway. There's no way God not take blessing and go bless now double 2021 now. Okay, so this one I want to test how it look like. Oh my God. Because of the what they call it, the lemon, the taste just change totally. Imagine if you drink this kind of one, before you know, your tummy, your body, everything is going inside. If you just dey go inside, get one time they use I can't be like I stop. Now I see how they gain like 2 kilo again. Now that 2 kilo I'm not trying to fight. I don't order my booster. Booster will come by maybe tomorrow, or maybe before the day run out today. If it come, okay. So this is how you will be taking your own. You can take it, put this in your bag, be walking around the street. You can be taking it, okay. I know that to lose weight, you know, they easy. Now very, very one kind, you know, you will commit yourself that you want to really lose weight. You understand me? So it's not easy. So then this is what you need. Small. No need to kill yourself. Imagine that we don't born like this. Can't begin to tire us body round, go to do operation. It don't make sense, okay? And as you are eating healthy, trust me, many things for your body is still repairing. Like something like your immune system, you know, your womb, your blood, everything, your liver, your kidney. Everything is beautiful. Everything is just innovative for inside your system. Now, waiting you eat, now they react for your body. So me, I'm an example of that one. Waiting I eat, you already react for my body. If I drink this one finish today, the way my belly go to turn me, the way my belly go to do, the way I go to run to pee all the time, you already react for my body. They wash inside my body. Okay, if you dey they find pikin, make you not forget my sister. You know, my brother. Advise your wife make they eat healthy food. Healthy food start for this kind of way. You know, I know you cannot get it natural. You cannot meet up like that. But this is the way to be eating healthy. By grinding all those fruit and vegetable, add shake inside, so that it will not give you that fiber in your body. Drink like that for 1 year, 6 months, 8 months. You will see yourself. You are now a brand new person. You understand me? So, like my castor here now, I buy this very one. I buy this one. My company give me this as a gift to give to my children. This very one. And this one I owe here, it worth like €204. My company dash me free of charge. Every month, every 4 months, they will deliver for me free of charge for this very one. For me and my kids for this house, okay? And remember, if you buy this, I give you this for free. Give out to your pikin. We call an air study, okay? Your pikin go dey enjoy and you say go dey enjoy. Everybody, not be medicine, but people they maybe not be medicine, but it pass medicine. I take pass the help you to breathe that gap. Say you know they eat food away because most of all that come from Africa, we already lack of ions. Not only they complain about iron for our body, but it be their iron. So I have to be eating this raw food. Like me, I don't feel they be like glass water with the bush. Never. This one want drink so you know because I shake inside. I not fit drink am raw. I not fit because of the shake I add here. I can drink it the way I like. Okay. So also I come and take am again for here. This my fruit and vegetable. This very one I will take it. 30 variety fruit and vegetable. If I yesterday me and Obi we go market. I say look, I want to buy something here. Look all those fruit and vegetable the way it costs. How I want to buy this 30 now? We calculate it, give us multiple amount of money every day. Do you think I can be spending that kind of money? I not fit. If I can spend that kind of money, I will tire. I cannot be eat around all the fruit and vegetable in the market. You know, 30 in a day. I know if you try, I will so tired. So for that reason, my company stuff is doing in a way with castor like this for you. See, very very easy. You will swallow it, then it give you that goal you are looking for. So that is why this is what you need. Every blessed day like me, I'm going to take my own as well right now. I will take 2 fruits. I will take 2 vegetables. So my berry, I lack of berry right now. Okay, I will take 2 vegetables. I'm good to go. In here, I have in here, you know, 10 different type of fruit, 10 different type of vegetable. In here in my body is going to detox my body, and along with it I also blend it with fiber with my shake. You know, this very shake will help you to reduce your weight. It's monitor your weight, okay, for you. That is why I love what I'm doing so far so well. Okay, so my people, what I'm doing here, if you like to join to be getting your own extra money every month, is very very nice for you. If you want to join to be your personal franchise, register and be buying for yourself and sell for around you, sell for everybody around the world. From there, you see they get your money just the way I did do for years. So anything I take for you is my personal use. I know they stock anything at all now, but you see everything I don't open and my own and they use for you. So customer come here and they don't receive your product. I don't know how to reach there. Now company go carry and go give her for us. My own be say I sell for her. I go follow her up. I should wanted the chop and the drink am. Now you be my own. Okay, so if you dey watch me today, you want to join the business, na best business ever. You no go panic say, oh, you go expire, oh, you go comot for fashion, oh, this and that. E no dey. So I advise all ladies and men who want to join this one as your plan B, make you join. So it's very very easy to do from home. Like me now, I'm cooking here and still doing my business. That is wetin I dey do every day. The thing dey ginger me. I like am. If I not come live video like 1 day 2 day, go be like say something dey happen. You understand me? So at least at all you see they get your money every blessed month. Now something for you. So if you there you want to take this recipe and also this amazing business opportunity, join. Don't waste your time. Now very soon we will be the 3rd month of the year. It's going. Imagine you lose 100 euro every month. Now money now something for you. Okay, so then I want you to join. Let's do it together. I'm cooking at the same time. My eyes on my food, looking if it's burning here. Okay, so that is how we are doing the business also. So with this one, you can be living healthy the same time you are doing your business. Okay, if you don't see any woman when you want born this year, you don't even dey find pikin advance. The pikin no gree come a time. I advise you now, introduce and give me, make I help and follow am with this fruit and vegetable. Not be my power, and rather the product not be. How can I say it now? And rather not be only she. The thing don't first see work for. I have a lot of customers who they are happy today. They are really really happy today. Many of them, me no know say that they find pikin sef. They will just buy am. Before they will come, sister, I don't get below. I don't know say it go. So just like that, okay. May you see try another way. Try your possible best. Eating all those fruit and vegetables. It's not that easy to go market say now you go to eat. Imagine salad where I buy says look at it. I see cold. Oh, see. You see it? I buy this yesterday and I drop am for there. I don't really eat because I don't know. It cold for my mouth. It just cold. I don't feel eat am. But with this very one, you can take everything like this. You understand me? So you can take it to bridge that gap at that thing that is worrying your blood, that not make medicine to react fast for your body. Now they work for. Now see the way the stuff they talk and now they relate to now with the English. You understand me? So because I know people they watch me I know my platform, I know how to do it for you. So that is why I advise you guys, be with this product. Buy the thing, they chop and they go. It's very hard. Like me, that's why I buy since 2 years that the company they deliver for me. Now I think there's something they manage myself and my shape and my life. I swear. Okay, so buy this product, enjoy it with yourself. Buy it, okay? If you not fit buy everything, buy it step by step, buy it one by one. You can buy booster this month, buy shake next month, buy the other one, small like that. You go see your body, you go come dey okay. Imagine diabetes patients now, you know, not be all fruit supposed to be taken, but through this hour we can be taking it the way you like, the way you want. Okay, that is why I love it so much. To say something about. Okay, sister, don't worry. If I don't do live video finish, I will answer you. Okay, I will answer you, my dear sister. Yeah, I will help you. You know, we are here to help each other. We are here to help our life. We are here to help each other. Okay, this is the best thing, a best gift I never ever see in my life. Okay, so if you dey here that you want to try to give birth, I talk am again, I still break am down for una again. You want to get belle this year, boss me, let's do this thing together. Some people don't know the right time, the right food to take before they can get pregnancy. So people don't even know the right time to even meet their husband. They are looking for the baby. You understand me? So those are the things me and you are going to do together until you get the belly. But do me a favor, do all your tests. If your test they okay that, oh, I'm okay, you know, say some people did and they go to doctor will tell you, say you are okay, 100% okay, you are really okay, nothing is wrong with you. You understand me? So it's just that you have to increase your iron in your body. Try to build your immune system. You need a lot of vitamin, you know, to really boost your immune system before the baby can come in there and sit down in your womb. Now wetin you need be that one. Now maybe they tell una, so if you now buy this product like this, this very one, I go see give una, you know, I go see give una wetin una see, maybe una all before the free of charge. Cast una go dey drink and everybody go detox your body. You understand me? So a lot of customer, a lot of them they enjoy this my platform. They enjoy this my product. Many of them, me no know say they find picking. You go there and hear my phone they ring. Sister, God, what did God do? Me, I said for you to go and take off your sister. And you not tell me something I find picking. You go say, see, it don't take 1 year, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years. You don't try. Imagine the woman be say they find picking for 1 year. You just say now, she don't work out, she don't tire. Because I know how it be sometimes. Because I remember that my age that time when I did Africa. I was trying, you know, that was some days ago. I was trying to get belle for my boyfriend. Anyway, you understand? So, but we cannot come. But every month like this, if I see the message like that, my head will the boss say, what if this one? How much you marry ever since like 1 to some of the 6 years? I know what they pass through. I know it's not really easy. My dear sister, brother, I'm telling you today that today is your answer. If you really want to really answer, you know, if you don't want to listen to me and buy what I asked to buy, follow up with fruit and vegetable like this. Be eating raw food. That's the only way you can boost your immune system. Eat raw food. This is the raw food we are eating. Mind this, like me. I know the thing I want to. Like me before, this kind of food, I don't fit chop am. For what? Your way cousin and kukumba I want to eat. I don't go eat. I don't go like chop am. Say now this, no, I don't go chop. I don't go even like to even test at all. You understand me? So, but now my hobby. I think I can build my immune system. Some small sickness people they run to doctor every time. Yeah, I know they happen to me again. I can only do paracetamol. I'm okay. Why would they do? No, say person don't get picky like this. No, you go shout your brain. You go taste more time. Your brain will like pull off. I will just drink paracetamol, drink my vitamin, go to bed. That is it. Yeah, I no feel remember again. Even my children will go to doctor. We know they go again. The thing they build body so well. In a way that you yourself will forget that you get one sickness for body before. You not go even remember again. Now everything the product they do for body. Okay, so if you watch me at this moment, you want to join the program, you want to join the how to look after your body, join. Inbox me today and get started. Money is nothing. They said when there is life, there is hope. If you are really feeling healthy, you are okay with your body, my dear sister, my dear brother, you go everywhere and look for your money. If you get wetin dey think, wetin dey chop you for your life, my dear, e dey hard. You go dey lose strength. Nothing like you dey put money for something, you go dey improve, you go dey see the reaction, you go dey heal for you. Na be this life. No sickness can be cured like that, but can only be manageable. If you think say na lie dey tell you so, may God let you get anything bad sickness for your body now, maybe like diabetes, arthritis, or over all those kind of things. You can only dey manage am, and once they help you dey manage, then you are okay. You are okay to go. Na our product dey do. If you dey take am, I advise you to take that medicine wey that doctor say dey give you. Take am with me, see how your body go hear word fast. I did not say stop wetin doctor dey give. They take this one, take dey suppress that stubborn, that stubborn edges in your body, that stubborn bacteria in your body, suppress am down for your body. You go see go dey react for you so fast. Na the product dey do. Okay, so my dear people, I love you guys so much. Okay, I dey cook with on the other hand, so make I face my food, make it not go overdone. Okay, so that is why I want to end this live video now. So I switch to my food. If you want to call me right away, just call me. Let's start. This premium castor, this very one, if you want to buy with my omega blend, I have omega blend as well for people that want to get baby this year. You have to get this omega blend and get this all those 4 castor. Make it 4 castor you want to buy together. And if possible, you get my booster. You understand me? This is the thing you need first of all. If you cannot buy everything, there's the way you will divide it away. Okay, I will dash you a product that I bought like 204 euro products. 204 euro product. I will dash out to you. Cause so that can make you, it will last you longer, or you give out to your pikin or your husband. Okay, it will last you longer. Never mind the money. Imagine that time we say I buy my first human hair for this country. I buy about 700 euro. You understand me? So if you say you want to take care of your body, like me, every 4 months they buy my product. I never care. Imagine my pikin, all of them don't they okay? They happy put. I know they run to doctor again. Even with myself, I'm okay with head, everything. Okay, so that is why it boss me. Let's start it today. Start it today, okay? If you cannot buy everything, you can take this very one, berry castor and the omega blend with my booster for you that want to born this year. Omega blend, berry castor with this very one. Okay, there you can follow up with other fruit and vegetable in the market. If you can be drinking it raw every day by day in the market, okay, that is what you need, nothing more. Be taking your vitamin that doctor prescribe for you. Give yourself till 98 more. You will see that if you don't get that belly. You understand me? So that is what you just need in your body. You need my omega blend, you need my berry castor, you need my booster to clear your immune system, to wash inside your body for you, and be taking that vitamin that doctor prescribe for you. May you see how you will be. So people get fat for inside belly. Fat, maybe you may not fat too much for all your face and your arm, but inside your womb there is fat for them. You need to wash everything down. Every day they go to doctor say yes, you are okay, you are okay, you are okay. Really, nothing wrong with you. It's just a little bit of iron you need that to improve your immune system. Now you journey for your body. Nothing wrong with you, my dear sister. Nothing wrong with you. Your womb never be tempered. They never cut one of your fallopian tube, your ovary, everything still correct for them. I don't see anything that don't make it to take in. You must surely get that belly. So now, my dear people, so I have to go. I come back later again. I dey cook and they make food for you. Do you have WhatsApp number? Yeah, I have WhatsApp number, my dear sister. Okay, somebody they ask if I get WhatsApp number. Let me just drop it for you. I want to go your inbox and drop it for you. I don't know where you live. Where are you living, sister? Let me just drop it this way. 5 sorry, I want to put it on your inbox. For those of you that want to have my WhatsApp number, inbox me, or I'll place it on wall later. So I send it to you by your inbox. Just add me off on WhatsApp right now, so we can chat, we can talk. Okay, anybody at all that is here who want to try to get your baby this year, who want try to get rid of your tummy. Not be everybody go slim, at least detox your body. Let's prepare for our age, let's prepare for it. Now we dey do for it. Me wey dey do am, not be saying na I want to talk am. I'm not doing it sometimes because of the money, because of my life, my health issue. There's a time we say I stop, say I not go take am again. But all those things we see, they still come back again. Those wetin they call allergy, see they come back, come they disturb me the way we say I don't like am. Not be my eye again, I start again. You understand me? So it mean that as I dey take this thing, it's going to really help me a lot. Okay, so that is why that we are here. Oh, people that live in Africa, we don't deliver our product to Africa. We only sell it for European, so that is it. If you live in Africa, we don't sell to Africa. Or say maybe you can pay for your DHL and pay for your money, you can ship it to Africa. And I guess that the money to buy in Africa is very so high a little bit. Okay, if you live here in Europe, it's more really helpful. Okay, my dear people, so I have to go right now. I love you guys so much. Bye bye for now. And brokers.